In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Classroom name. This simple tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you can personalize your Google Classroom experience to better reflect your identity or the specific needs of your classes. Let's start by opening your favorite web browser. Once you've done that, head over to the familiar google.com homepage. Here you'll find yourself at the gateway to all of Google's services. But what we're interested in today is tucked away within your Google account settings. At the top right corner of the Google homepage, you'll notice the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This brings us to the selection screen for Google accounts. If you have multiple accounts, you'll need to choose the one associated with the Google Classroom you want to update. After making your selection, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Do so carefully and click on Next to proceed. Once you've successfully signed in, you're going to click on the Google Apps menu, which is cleverly symbolized by a grid of dots, again found at the top right corner of the screen. This menu is like a treasure trove of Google services and applications, each icon representing a different tool at your disposal. This time around, we're looking for the Google Classroom icon. Upon finding it, give it a click to enter your virtual classroom space. Now, this is where it gets a tad more specific. Direct your attention to the settings. You can use the link provided or find it through the user interface. Once you're in the settings area, you're going to look for a particularly important section, Account Settings. This section is crucial because it houses the options to customize your account, including the name associated with your Google Classroom. Upon entering the account settings, search for the option to click on your name. This opens up the possibility to alter how you are identified across Google services, including Google Classroom. Here you'll be given the freedom to change both your first and last name. Take a moment to input your new names. Be sure to reflect on the choice, as this name will be visible across Google Classroom and other Google services you interact with. After you've input your new name, look for the Save button. It's important not to skip this step. Clicking Save will ensure your changes are applied and saved across your account. Once saved, these changes can take a short while to propagate across all Google services, so don't worry if you don't see the change reflected immediately in Google Classroom. By following these steps, you have successfully personalized your Google Classroom experience by changing your name. This change not only affects how you're addressed in notifications, but also impacts the display name in classes you're enrolled in or teaching. Do keep in mind, while this method is effective for changing how your name is displayed, some aspects of your account, like your email address, remain unchanged. This is an important distinction for maintaining consistency across Google's services, while allowing for personalization where it matters most. This tutorial aimed to demystify the process of changing your Google Classroom name, breaking it down into simple, actionable steps. Remember, Google Classroom, like many online platforms, provides various settings to enhance your experience and tailor its usage to better fit your needs and preferences. We hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to make the most out of your Google Classroom experience. Whether you're a student looking to reflect a name change or a teacher aiming to update your classroom settings, these steps provide a straightforward path to personalization and identity affirmation within the digital education landscape. Thank you for tuning into our tutorial. We're always here to help simplify your digital life, so don't hesitate to revisit our channel for more tips, tricks and guides on navigating your favorite online tools and services.